This video tutorial I will explain SQL case statement. Here you can see the syntax of case statement. Case statement goes through conditions and returns value when the first condition is met. It is like if then else statement. If once the condition is true, it will stop reading and returns the result. If no condition is true, then it returns the value in the else class. If there is no else part and no conditions are true, then it returns null. We will see one example now. Here you can see employee table and it has 6 records. And here you can see the example of case statement. Select employee ID, comma age. Then I have applied a case statement. If age is greater than 40, then it will display the age is greater than 40. If age is less than 40, it will display age is less than 40. And if these two conditions are not met, then it will display the age is equal to 40. So what this query will do is it will check each record age and display this information. And the case is end here, and this is a column name which will display this information. And we are selecting the records from employee table. I am running this SQL, and here you can see the output. So 32 is less than 40. Here we got that. And 45 is greater than 40. Here we got that. And 40 is equal to 40. Here we got that. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.